So we got a couple different things here. Today we're doing a cleaning, commercial cleaning. There's a rooftop cleaning. And as you can see, these panels right here are covered with dirt. There's a bunch of them. I'm going to show you something right up close here. You can see a lot of this bee poop. This isn't, we call it bee pollen. We called it San Diego sap in the past. It's bee poop. One of the things I do is first I come over and I just check it to see how rough it is on there, and this is gonna come off really quick. All right, water coming out of here is just blah, minimal, really not even doing anything. Turn that bad boy on. I've got power. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna give these a quick rinse. Get this top layer of dirt off of there. When cleaning a solar panel, we can make this very easy by doing this in a simple routine. That final rinse with that pure water is what's going to leave the spotless dry. Having a nice ice cold Dr. Pepper. That is my soda of choice. If you want to send me anything, you can go ahead and send me Dr. Pepper, okay? And course? Course? Gift cards. And gift cards, apparently. Dr. Pepper. Yeah, man. All right.